Welcome to our journey through the vibrant and intense chapters of Jeremiah 21 to 24. If you haven't delved into the Bible before, get ready for a tale of prophecy, judgment, and hope that still echoes today. Jeremiah 21 kicks off with a grim message. King Zedekiah, seeking divine intervention against King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon, sends emissaries to Jeremiah. But instead of the hoped-for assurance, God, through Jeremiah, warns of impending doom due to their persistent disobedience.
Highlighting their choices, God says in verse 8, "I set before you the way of life and the way of death." It's a stark reminder of the consequences tied to our decisions. As we move into chapter 22, Jeremiah is instructed to deliver a message to the royal house of Judah, emphasizing the importance of justice and righteousness.
He warns that neglecting these virtues will lead to ruin. Verses 3 and 4 urge leaders to do justice and righteousness and protect the vulnerable. Sadly, what follows is a lament for the kings who had strayed, leading the nation astray. In chapter 23, the narrative shifts to a promise, a beacon of hope amid despair. Here, God condemns the false prophets and leaders misleading his people. Yet, God vows to raise up a righteous branch, a king who will reign wisely. Verse 5 foretells this promise. The days are coming when I will raise up for David a righteous branch. It's a prophecy Christians interpret as the coming of Jesus, the ultimate shepherd and leader. Finally, chapter 24 presents a vivid vision of two baskets of figs, representing two groups of people. One basket contains good figs, illustrating the repentant exiles, while the bad figs symbolize those who persist in rebellion. Through this metaphor, Jeremiah assures the faithful of God's watchful care and future restoration. These chapters of Jeremiah speak volumes about choice, leadership, and hope. They challenge us to reflect on our paths, emphasizing that in every circumstance, there lies a choice that aligns us with divine justice and mercy. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. Subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful summaries of biblical stories that continue to ignite faith and curiosity.